Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome! Are you tired of being stuck inside, staring at the same four walls while working from home? I feel you. But what if I told you that you could be making money while soaking up the sun, enjoying the fresh air, actually feeling the breeze on your face? Yeah, I'm talking about ditching the home office and embracing the great outdoors. In this video, I'm gonna break down 10 work-from-home jobs that don't just let you work outside, they thrive there. And the best part, you can start today. So grab your sunscreen, your laptop, maybe a plant or two, and let's jump right into it. All right, first up, let's talk about plants. If you're someone who loves digging in the dirt, who can tell a petunia from a peony, someone who can basically turn their backyard into a botanical garden, then becoming a gardening or landscaping consultant might be your calling. Think about it. You get to visit people's homes, check out their outdoor spaces, and offer your expert advice on what to plant, where to plant it, and how to make it thrive. You're like the plant whisperer, the garden guru. People are paying you for your knowledge. And the best part? You're spending your days surrounded by nature, breathing in that fresh air, getting your hands dirty in the best way possible. Plus, you're helping people create their own little slice of paradise. As a gardening or landscaping consultant, you can set your own rates, which is always a good thing. Depending on your experience and your client base, you could be charging anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour. So not only are you doing what you love, but you're also getting paid pretty well for it. It's a win-win. And who knows? Maybe you'll even inspire someone to discover their own green thumb. Okay, next up is for all you creatives out there, the visual storytellers, the ones who see the world through a different lens. I'm talking about outdoor photography. If you've got a camera, a good eye for composition, and a passion for capturing the beauty around you, then this one's for you. From breathtaking landscapes to candid portraits, the possibilities are endless. Think about it. You could be shooting stunning sunsets over rolling hills, capturing the vibrant colors of a local farmer's market, or even documenting a couple's love story against a backdrop of majestic mountains. And the best part? You get to be outdoors, soaking up the sunshine, feeling the wind in your hair, all while doing what you love. You can sell your photos online through stock photography websites, or you can go old school and offer your services to local businesses, magazines, or even individuals looking for unique and personalized shots. We're talking anywhere from $50 to $500 per gig, depending on the project and your experience. So grab your camera, get outside, and start capturing those picture-perfect moments. All right, let's be real. Who doesn't love dogs? Like seriously, those furry little creatures just make everything better. So why not turn your love for dogs into a way to make money while enjoying the great outdoors? That's right, I'm talking about dog walking and pet sitting. Think about it. You get to spend your days hanging out with adorable pups, exploring parks, soaking up the sunshine. And the best part? You get paid to do it. Seriously, if you're an animal lover, this is like the dream job. You get exercise, fresh air, and furry companionship, all while earning some extra cash. Plus, you get to be that person in the neighborhood that everyone loves because you're always out and about with those cute dogs. Dog walking and pet sitting can be pretty lucrative, especially if you're reliable, trustworthy, and you genuinely love animals. You can set your own rates or sign up with an app like Rover, which connects pet sitters with pet owners in their area. On average, you could be making anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour. Listen, if you're passionate about fitness and love being outdoors, then why not combine those two passions and become an outdoor fitness trainer? Seriously, it's a thing. Think about it. Instead of being cooped up in a gym, you could be leading boot camps in the park, teaching yoga classes on the beach, or even doing one-on-one personal training sessions with the beautiful backdrop of nature. You get to help people achieve their fitness goals while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine yourself. And the best part, you get to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and create a workout routine that you're passionate about. No more stuffy gyms, no more fluorescent lighting, just you, your clients, and the great outdoors. As an outdoor fitness trainer, you can set your own rates, which can vary depending on your experience, location, and the type of training you offer. But on average, you could be charging anywhere from $30 to $100 per session. That's right, you can make a good living while helping people live healthier, happier lives. All right, let's talk about cars for a second. If you're someone who loves cars, who takes pride in keeping their own rides spotless, then why not turn that passion into a side hustle or even a full-time gig with mobile car detailing? Think about it. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and you get to be outside, working with your hands, making cars shine like new. Plus, you get to meet new people, chat with car enthusiasts, and see the satisfaction on their faces when they see their cars looking brand new. Mobile car detailing can be a pretty lucrative business. On average, you could be charging anywhere from $50 to $150 per car. Let's be real, a clean house is a happy house. But cleaning the exterior of a house? That can be a daunting task. But for someone who loves being outdoors, who doesn't mind a little elbow grease, and who takes pride in a job well done, exterior home cleaning can be a great way to make money while enjoying the fresh air. Think about it. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and you get to be outside, working with your hands, making houses look their best. Plus, you get to see the difference you're making in your community, one clean house at a time. Exterior home cleaning can be a pretty lucrative business. On average, you could be charging anywhere from $75 to $300 per project. Okay, plant lovers, this one's for you. If you've got a green thumb, if you can't resist stopping to admire a beautiful flower, if you believe that plants make every space better, then why not turn that passion into a side hustle with a mobile plant care service? Think about it. You get to spend your days visiting different homes and businesses, caring for their plants, making sure they're thriving. You're like a plant doctor, a green therapist, bringing life and vibrancy to every space you enter. Mobile plant care services are in high demand. People love plants, but they don't always have the time or the know-how to properly care for them. You can set your own rates, which can vary depending on the number of plants, the services offered, and your location. On average, you could be charging anywhere from $20 to $40 per visit. Listen, if there's one thing we've all learned in the past few years, it's the importance of self-care, of finding moments of peace and tranquility in our often chaotic lives. And what better way to do that than by combining the restorative power of yoga and meditation with the beauty and serenity of the great outdoors? That's right, I'm talking about becoming an outdoor yoga or meditation instructor. Think about it. You could be leading sunrise yoga sessions on the beach, guiding meditation practices in a peaceful forest clearing, or even hosting sound baths under the stars. You get to share your love of yoga and meditation with others, helping them find their center, connect with nature, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. As an outdoor yoga or meditation instructor, you can set your own rates, which can vary depending on your experience, location, and the type of class you offer. But on average, you could be charging anywhere from $30 to $100 per session. So get out there and find your zen. All right, let's talk about food. Fresh, local, delicious food. If you've got a knack for baking, a green thumb that just won't quit, or a passion for creating delicious and healthy treats, then why not share your bounty with the world as a farmer's market vendor? Seriously, it's a great way to connect with your community, share your love of food, and make some money while you're at it. Think about it. You could be selling your homemade sourdough bread, your grandma's secret pickle recipe, or even your own homegrown organic produce. You get to interact with customers, share your passion for food, and see the joy on their faces when they take their first bite of your delicious creations. As a farmer's market vendor, your earnings can vary depending on what you're selling, your pricing, and the popularity of the market. But on a good market day, you could easily make anywhere from $100 to $500 or even more. So get out there and share your delicious creations with the world. Listen, in today's fast-paced world, everyone's looking for ways to save time and make their lives a little easier. And that's where you come in. If you've got a reliable set of wheels, a smartphone, and a knack for getting things done, then why not start a local delivery or errand service? Seriously, it's a great way to be your own boss, set your own hours, and make money while you're out and about. Think about it. You could be delivering groceries for busy families, picking up dry cleaning for time-crunched professionals, or even running errands for seniors who can't get around as easily as they used to. You're not just delivering goods and services, you're delivering convenience, peace of mind, and a helping hand. As a local delivery or errand runner, you can set your own rates, which can vary depending on the distance traveled, the time involved, and the complexity of the task. But on average, You could be making anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour or even more. So get out there and start making a difference in your community. And there you have it, 10 awesome outdoor work-from-home jobs. From consulting on gardens to teaching yoga, these jobs let you enjoy the fresh air while making money. Which one will you try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring ideas. See you in the next video.